We are covering a critical topic for your phlebotomy certification exam: quality control, specifically as it applies to point-of-care testing, or POCT. On the exam, you won't just be asked to define quality control. You'll be expected to apply the principles in real-world scenarios. For any POCT device, like a glucometer or a hemoglobin analyzer, you must run daily quality control checks before performing any patient testing. A common exam question will test your knowledge of the required control levels. You must always use two levels of controls: a low normal control and a high abnormal control. This ensures the device is accurate across the entire range of potential patient results. Running only a normal control is a frequent mistake and a definite exam trap. To track these daily QC results, we use Levey-Jennings charts. Imagine a graph where the horizontal line in the middle is the mean, or expected value, for the control. The lines above and below it represent 1, 2, and 3 standard deviations from that mean. Each day, you plot the result of your control test on this chart. Over time, these plots show you if your device is performing consistently or if there are shifts or trends, which could indicate a problem like reagent degradation. The exam will expect you to know how to interpret these charts using a set of guidelines called Westgard rules. For example, the 1-3 rule means that if a single QC result falls outside of 3 standard deviations from the mean, the entire run must be rejected. Patient testing must be stopped immediately. This is a hard stop, an automatic failure that signals a significant issue with the testing system. Now, let's talk about the most common exam trap: what to do first when a QC result is out of range. The question will give you options like rerun the control, recalibrate the instrument, or call the supervisor. While all might be necessary eventually, the very first step is to investigate and take corrective action. This means checking the simple things. Are the reagents expired? Was the control solution stored at the wrong temperature? Was it mixed properly? You must perform and document these corrective actions before rerunning the control. Simply rerunning a failed control without troubleshooting is a critical error and will be the wrong answer on the exam. All of these activities, from the daily QC logs to the Levey-Jennings charts and any corrective action reports, must be meticulously documented. During an inspection from an agency like CLIA or the Joint Commission, this documentation is the first thing they will ask to see. It's your proof of compliance. To remember the steps for an out-of-range QC, think of the phrase stop and doc. First, stop all patient testing. Then, document the out-of-range result, investigate the cause, and implement corrective action. Only after you stop and doc can you rerun the QC, and if it passes, resume patient testing. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.